chemistry students. My name is Rodig, and today we'll be going over ionic nomenclature. So first, we're going to start with some definitions. So a compound that has ionic nature is one that is held by an ionic bond, comprised of cations and anions. Cations are positively charged ions, whereas anions are negatively charged ions, meaning that cations are metals, which is the left side of the staircase, whereas anions are non-metals, which is the right side of the staircase. Also in this unit, we will be using polyatomic ions, which are ions that are comprised of multiple atoms, such as nitrate, sulfate, and phosphate. Now we will discuss the difference between binary and ternary compounds. So binary compounds are compounds that are made up of only two elements. An example of that would be calcium fluoride, rather than CaF, which is calcium fluoride. And ternary compounds are made up of more than two elements. An example of that would be potassium sulfate, which would be K2SO4.
So you can see here, this is one element, calcium and fluorine, whereas this is one element, and this is a polyatomic ion, which is comprised of two elements. So overall, this has two elements, whereas this one has three overall elements in it, making it a ternary and making this one a binary. So firstly, we'll be going over naming binary compounds. Let's try MgCl. So first, you would name the cation, which is magnesium. Then you would name the ion, which is chlorine. But then you take off the suffix and replace it with an "ide" on the end for the anion, making it magnesium chloride. Now time for naming ternary compounds. Let's try Na2SO4. So first, you would name the cation, which is sodium. Then you would simply just name the polyatomic ion, which is sulfate. Put them together with the cation going first, and you would get sodium sulfate. Okay, now we will try going from name to written formula. Let's try potassium sulfide. Which is a binary compound based on the "ide" on the end of it. So firstly, we will write out the element symbol with the charge. Potassium's is K plus, and sulfides, or sulfurs, is S2 minus. We have to remember that the total charge has to be 0 when the two are put together as a compound. So in order to do that, we use the crisscross method. So crisscrossing table like that. This would conjure K2S, or potassium sulfide. And in the end, after using the crisscross method, we get K2S. Okay, now let's try going from name to formula using ternary compounds. Let's try calcium hydroxide. So again, we'll write out the elements with the symbols with its charge, and we get Ca2 plus and OH minus. Again, we will use the crisscross method, but this time the combining of the two using the crisscross method will require parentheses to illustrate that OH minus ions will be doubled. So as we crisscross, we will use parentheses to show that for every two OH ions, there will be one Ca ion. And this gets
Okay, now you try some practice problems. Pause the video and try these out. Okay, the answer for the first one is barium phosphide, and the answer for the second one is SrIO2, parentheses 2. This is the ionic nomenclature by Rodig, and if you're still confused, just rewind the video.